Alright, what's up y'all? It's Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and this is the first of a new little segment I am including on my channel, Keenan's Rub Review. Of course, throughout the years you've been seeing me use a variety of seasonings, some that I came up with my own, some that I purchased. And one of the first ones that I purchased is by a company that is out of California. But my man is based out of St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. And lo and behold, he knows my wife. So I believe she knows his brother. So that is very cool to hook up with someone that, you can really get to know well. And got some, sort of affiliation with. And this brother got his own seasoning line. And you've heard me mention it time and time again. It's Island Boy Spices, available at islandboyspices.com. This is not a promotion by them. I'm not, financially affiliated with them, but I do enjoy the product, and I just want to share it with y'all. So I have used I got 5 favorites, and these are the 5 that do not contain rosemary because I'm allergic to rosemary. And my man was gracious enough to let me know which ones that do not have rosemary, and I ordered them. So I'm gonna start off with the Paradise Curry Spice. This is good. The curry on it is very it's very subtle, but it blooms as it cooks. And I did a video with this, some grilled chicken curry. Check out my playlist, my Yardbird playlist, my I Made This Up playlist, and Bovine Brilliance. All my playlists contain these seasonings. But this is good. It's a nice curry. The color on it is amazing, and it gives you some good curry taste to your dishes. So, and this will probably be real good on French fries. Next up is the Tropical Flame. This is the newest one to my Island Boy Spices collection. This is the jerk spice seasoning, or jerk spice seasoning right there. And this is very good. I did some ribs with this, and came out amazing. So definitely want to get some chicken going, and get some tacos or some burritos or something going with some of this seasoning. And I'm pretty sure this will be good on French fries and eggs as well. So the Tropical Flame jerk spice. Next up is me and my youngest son's favorite, the Rock Roast Rub. This one contains coffee. I definitely showed this plenty of times. Got some, man, it smells amazing. They got some dehydrated onion in there and a lot of herbs and spices, and you can smell the coffee. It's a nice sweet smell in there, and this is amazing on beef. It's dedicated to roasting briskets, and I can see why. So when I get my next brisket, this is going on there. Next up is the Virgin Island Gold. All right, this is the lemon pepper. This is one of the better lemon pepper seasonings I have had, and I'm not just saying that. Break that up a little bit. Humidity out here, boy, it is warm. But like I said, this is one of the best lemon pepper seasonings I have ever had. I done tried quite a few. This is really good. You can smell it. You can smell the lemon in there. I think it got lemongrass. So, and the balance of this is real good. So this is one of my favorites. I actually got 2 of these, and I got 1.5 of pretty much what I consider my all-purpose seasoning from Island Boy Spices, the Island Sun Rub. It says it's it's a perfect poultry seasoning, but I have used it on everything from pork to seafood, and it works well on beef. So this is what I consider my all-purpose from Island Boy Spices, is the Island Sun Rub. So if you get a chance, check my man out over at Island Boy Spices, islandboyspices.com. You got a YouTube channel, Facebook, he's on Instagram, and just a recommendation from your boy, and I hope you consider on trying it. So all right, that wraps it up for part 1. I'm not going to be putting part 1 and 2 all up in the title, but This is the first episode of Keenan's Rub Review. All right, appreciate y'all checking me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that notification bell, and y'all be cool out there. Be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. Black Smoke Barbecue, baby. 1.